New app, Kube Smart. A single app for installers and end users. Benefits for the end user homepage. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection for remote control of all installations. Customization of colors and cover image of installed automations. Access, sharing with family members or by time slots. Access, control with calendar. All installations in a single screen. Benefits for the installer. Connections with key automation devices and those of other brands. Homepage and customer list. Quick menu. Installer team management. Installation list. Parameter configuration area. Analysis menu. Replacement history. Malfunction detection. Quick and easy sharing with the end user. Fast switch between installer and user. Download from Google Play or the App Store.